in the broader markets. Vivek is here to put the spotlight on some of them. Vivek.
Well, thank you so much for that. Mostly dominated by result reactions, a very strong reaction to results. Along with that, a lot of news flow. First on the list has to be JSW Steel today, and a very important development. Remember, review periods by JSW Steel as well as the lenders will be heard by the Supreme Court, and any development on that front will be a significant, impactful event as far as JSW Steel is concerned. The other stock on the radar, one from the broader end of the market, is Paradeep Phosphates. The EBITDA margins here in Q1 has actually more than doubled. So that stock on strong volumes higher by 12.5%. Look at Flair writing, exports over here too has become quite strong. Back of that, almost 7% higher. This after the stock has seen quite a strong rally. Go Digit, even though the results were slightly muted, this particular stock on strong volumes has gained over 4% today. And Torrent Pharma, yesterday the company held a conference call post Q1. They've given a good guidance as far as margins are concerned, and brokerages have come back quite upbeat. Brokerages also say the acquisition of JB Chem could actually add or aid a re-rating as far as the valuations are concerned. On the other hand, like you mentioned, Horma's different stocks, Mazagon came out with its results last evening. Weakish execution on the back of that stock low by almost 4%. Home First Finance, from the lenders back, this particular stocks of very weak asset quality, and on the back of that, almost 5% low. This is after a 5% down tick that the stock saw yesterday. Poonawalla FinCorp, remember, was one of the top gainers yesterday, almost 7% higher, but that stock has given up most of its gains today. And IEX, it's been a very volatile last couple of weeks for IEX today. A Bernstein downgrade coming in. Market coupling implementation is something that has prompted them to downgrade the stock. That stock low by 4% today.
Okay, after that sharp fall, there's still more to come for IEX when it comes to market coupling as well. Thank you, Vivek, for joining in as always and telling us the stocks which are moving around in the broader markets. Let's get Mitesh